never took a L, lesson learned, and I bounce back. Tripping off a nigga, man, for what? I just fall back. I don't have the time to be giving out my time. Haters trying to dim my light, cause they know I'm about to shine. When they say I'm not hot, now you know you niggas lie.
What's up, y'all? I'm Kadijah Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys this curly Remy lace front wig from elvawigs.com. So first, I want to show you the packaging and everything that came with the wig. So here I am opening up, and of course we have the wig first, and then there's this little pamphlet in here, and then another brochure that tells you how to take care of the hair, and then it also came with a wig cap, which I didn't use. But within the pamphlet, like I said, it shows like a lot of different wigs they have to offer and how to wash and take care of the hair and make sure that it will last as long as it can. So as I said, this is a curly Remy wig and it is 150% density. And the lace front is 13 by 6, so you have a good amount of space for parting. It does come with combs. It has 2 on both sides, one in the nape of the wig and one in the top of the wig, which I hate and I never use those, but it has one. And in the back, it does have elastic pieces where you can make the wig tighter if you need to. So before I even apply the wig to my hair, of course I have to wash it. So first I'm going to completely soak it with water, and not only will I shampoo it, but I also like to do a little apple cider vinegar rinse. So I'm just going to completely wet it and then let this sit in a little bit of mixture of apple cider vinegar and water, and that just like gives it a nice deep cleanse. So after I let this sit for about 10 minutes, I'm just going to follow up with some shampoo, and I'm just using some shampoo that I use on my natural hair too. I could have just used a regular conditioner for this next step, but I used this Mayo Organics deep conditioner, and I put this all over the wig for like 45 minutes, and as you can see, it's like combing through so nicely. This wig is really soft. So after I let that marinate in my hair, I'm just going to rinse all of that deep conditioner out. And now it's time to really bring this wig to life. So now I've placed it on my mannequin head, and please excuse her dirtiness. But anyways, I'm just brushing it into the style that I want it to be. Yep, I like to do a side part, so that's what I'm doing right now. One thing that I really like about this wig is the fact that it is pre-plucked. So before I cut the lace off, I would usually, you know, gotta go in and pluck it to make it look a little bit more natural, but it's pre-plucked. So right now all I'm doing is cutting the lace off. And this wig also had a little bit of lace in the back of it, so I went ahead and cut that off too. And now I'm applying some mousse so that it will help to mold the style, you know, make it lay down and get rid of flyaways and all that good stuff. Throughout the whole process of styling this wig, I have got a little bit of shedding, but you know, it's been nothing drastic, just, you know, regular shedding. And once I was done with all of that, I just let this wig completely air dry for a whole day. So I decided to try the stocking cap method, and now I look bald. But anyways, I decided to use a different kind of gel to lay the wig now, and I'm going to be using Gorilla Snot, and this stuff actually gives a great hold. So after I applied it all around the perimeter of my hair, I went ahead and blow dried it, and you actually don't have to blow dry it as long because Gorilla Snot is already sticky. So I just blow dried it for a little bit, and then I went ahead and started to apply the wig. I'm trying to make sure I lay this wig because sometimes you can get like lumps and bumps in the lace, so I'm trying to like stretch it out and make sure I lay it real nice and good. And also I'm gonna go in with this little hair clip and just try to, you know, press the wig down to make sure it's flat. And now I'm just taking a washcloth to clean up any gel that's, you know, not in the right places it needs to be. And now it's baby hair swoop time. So I got my Mayo Organic styling gel, and I'm gonna go in with my little edge brush and just, you know, do these edges. Once I get the edges how I want them to look, I go in with a little bit of the freeze spray from Gots to Be just to lock them in more and make them stay. And baby, this wig is the bomb. These curls are super soft and bouncy. You can wear this wig very tamed, or you can mess with it, fluff it up and make it big. I don't know if I mentioned already, but it is 20 inches long. It's very rare that you find a wig this bomb for less than $200. And also, it's versatile, so you can put it in ponytails, buns, two-space buns, all of that. Anything you do with your natural hair, you can do with this wig pretty much. I love getting curly wigs, and I love this one so much. I feel like I need a straight wig from this company now. But yeah, y'all, I really like this wig. She is definitely gonna be one of my new go-to wigs because she is perfect. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, helps your girl out. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and join the team. Thank you guys so much. Your girl is out. Deuces.
Yeah, couple years ago, man, this shit was just a dream to me. Young nigga got a block hot now, yeah, every single thing a nigga drop hot now. I've been trying to get it on the low, been putting in work and it shows.